Hello everyone, I am Justina Paris and I welcome you all to the discussion of 20 GK questions from CLAT Perspective. तो आज के न्यूज आर्टिकल से जो हम ऐसे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे and you are going to check your knowledge, how much have you understood, how much have you learned and how much you remember. So let's see with the first question of the day. Dash is celebrated every year globally on February 21st. तो इसका आंसर क्या है? आज का दिन क्या मनाया जाता है? It is the Mother Language Day. So answer to this is A. Let's see the next question. In which schedule of the Indian Constitution are the scheduled languages listed? कौन से schedule में हमने डिस्कस किया था? 8th schedule, right? आंसर क्या है? D. So we know the 5th and 6th schedule जो है, it is with regard to the scheduled tribe, the tribes, right? Tribal areas और scheduled tribes से related. 7th schedule जो हमारे various list बताता है, जैसे कि union list, state list, concurrent list, वो 7th schedule में आता है. 8th schedule languages का है, तो ऐसे भी आप याद रख लो. Let's see the next one. How many languages are recognized as scheduled languages in the 8th schedule? So यहाँ पे 22 languages हैं in the 8th schedule currently, and remember 14 languages were original, लेकिन amendment के कारण we've seen the number has increased to 22. Which of the following is not a scheduled language of India? Now get a very confusing question, but if you know and if you've read कौन से languages हैं, you know that Tulu is not a language. Tulu is mainly spoken in the coastal states of Karnataka. So यहाँ पे जो है C is not your scheduled language. Okay? In fact, Kannada है but not Tulu. So therefore answer is C. Next one is which company announced the new chip called as Majorna 1? किस कंपनी ने announce किया था? It was Microsoft, right? Answer इसका है C. अगला क्वेश्चन है which fundamental building block of quantum computing? Which is the building block of quantum computing? इसका आंसर क्या है? Qubits. quantum units है ये qubits. आंसर क्या है? B. And we saw ये बहुत fast है, but the problem is it's very unstable. That's the problem with regard to your qubits, and they help in doing complex processes very quick manner. Current chief economic advisor कौन है? Current chief economic advisor है वी अनंत नागेश्वरन, जिनका टेन्योर अभी इंक्रीज हो चुका है 2 साल के लिए. सो आंसर इसका है सी. अगला क्वेश्चन है चीफ इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर जो है कौन से मिनिस्ट्री या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर काम करता है? द आंसर इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस. इसका आंसर है ए. एंड व्हाट इज द डॉक्यूमेंट? ओके, think I'd add that as a question. Yes. Which document is primarily prepared under the supervision of the chief economic advisor? Budget नहीं, लेकिन economic survey of India. This is mainly prepared by the economic chief economic advisor. वो head करते हैं department of economic affairs को, तो वो department जो है ये देखती है economic survey जो रिलीज होता है बजट के एक दिन पहले. What is the primary purpose of the Lokpal and the Lok Ayuktas Act? इसका primary purpose क्या है? Not for grievances, not for political parties, not for government finances, but for allegation of corruption. याद रखो corruption के बारे में मैंने focus किया था. So इसका आंसर क्या है? It is B. अगला question है who was appointed as the first लोकपाल of India? इस आर्टिकल में हमने डिस्कस किया था पिनाकी चंद्र घोष, राइट? पिनाकी चंद्र घोष 2019 में अपॉइंट किए गए थे एज द फर्स्ट लोकपाल. Which of the following positions does the लोकपाल have jurisdictions over? चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने बताया था जुडिशरी जो है इसके बाहर आता है. प्रेसिडेंट और गवर्नर हैज इम्यूनिटी, तो which is remaining? Prime Minister, right? Prime Minister, Council of Ministers. We have, with regard to members of the Parliament, Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. ये सब officers इस jurisdiction के अंडर आते हैं. So therefore, your answer is B. Which body is responsible for appointing the chairperson and members of the Lokpal? Appointment करता है President on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers and the Prime Minister. Appointment is always by the President. इसका आंसर क्या है? A. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the first Seoul Leadership Conclave. In कौन से जगह पे conclave हो रहा है? It is in New Delhi. Therefore answer क्या है इसका? D है. Which country's Prime Minister is the guest of honor for the Seoul Leadership Conclave? ये है Bhutan के Prime Minister, right? Shering, that is Shering Dokbe, right? So that is answer is D. Next one is what does the term remission refer to in the context of criminal law? Complete pardon नहीं है, temporary release नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके बाद ऐसा नहीं कि वो छोड़ के वापस आएगा, टेम्पररी रिलीज नहीं है. ओके, दैट कुड बी लाइक पैरोल, राइट. ट्रांसफर टू डिफरेंट प्रिजन नहीं है, बट रिडक्शन और मिटिगेशन ऑफ अ सेंटेंस विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स नेचर. द आंसर टू दिस इज बी, रिडक्शन ऑफ सेंटेंस, है ना, हो सकता है. सो आंसर क्या है इसका? बी. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the pardoning power of the President of India? It is Article 72. Article 72. 161 गवर्नर का pardoning power है. President का पूछा है तो आंसर इसका C है. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. What is the maximum period an MP can be absent without losing their seat? तो अगर 60 days तक वो नहीं आता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम. 60 डेज अगर होगा उसके बाद हाउस में वोटिंग होता है एंड ही कैन लूज हिज सीट. तो आंसर क्या है इसका? लिमिट क्या है? 60 दिन यानी 60 डेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये कल के आर्टिकल में हमने डिस्कस किया था. शेख तमीम बिन हमाद अल थानी इज द आमिर ऑफ विच country? ये बहुत easy question है. If you have attended my previous articles, yes, it is Qatar. We've recently seen India-Qatar relations, है ना. हम strategic partners बन चुके हैं. हमने अपना ties increase किया है in sectors like trade, in sectors like defense. So you see that investment. So therefore we see जो answer इसका है D है. Next and the last question of the day, which constituency has Delhi's new Chief Minister Rekha Gupta been elected from? Again, आज के आर्टिकल में पहले मैंने तो आपको हिंट दिया होगा. If you watched it well, yes, you will remember it is Shalimar Bagh, जो recently कल के दिन in fact रेखा गुप्ता ने ओथ लिया है as the Chief Minister of Delhi, who will be the 4th Chief Minister or Women Chief Minister of Delhi. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.